you come to visit Lansdowne and Upper Lansdowne too, you're sure to see a lot of things. This place is like a zoo. There's dairy farms and chicken farms and lots of things to see. Lansdowne's the place we love, it's where we want to be. Sometimes it rains a lot, sometimes floods our creeks. Sometimes the lights go out and people start to weep. Sometimes the fires come and burn our houses down, but that will never stop